Hello everyone, welcome back to How to Daily. In today's video, I'll show you how to deactivate your BMO debit card if it is lost or stolen. Acting quickly is crucial to protecting your finances. So now let's get started. First, log into your BMO online banking account using your credentials. You can do this in the BMO website or through the BMO mobile app. Next, once you've logged in, go to the Card Services or Manage Cards section. This is where you can manage all your BMO cards, including reporting a lost or stolen card. Next, find the option to report your card as lost or stolen, and follow the prompts to deactivate your card. BMO will immediately deactivate your card to prevent unauthorized transactions. Next, after deactivating your card, you will be given the option to request a replacement. Confirm your address and BMO will send a new card to you within a few business days. And that's how you deactivate a lost BMO debit card. Now, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe.